guys, morning, and I'm super happy today and you should be as well. Welcome to my family if you are new to this channel, and thank you so much to everyone who have watched my vlogs and watched my videos and gave me a thumbs up. You guys are awesome. I love you all. And if you guys didn't notice, my lips look so bad. I'm wearing the liquid lipstick at the moment, and I had one more. I don't know where it is now, where the hell it is gone. I've been looking for it everywhere and I can't find it. And sometimes I think, is it just me living here or somebody else as well? Because my husband, he doesn't wear any makeup. I'm the only one who does, and I don't know where it disappeared, but I've been looking for it. It's the same lipstick, Kylie Jenner inspired lipstick, which I got from Nepal. That lipstick was kind of nudish, I believe. I forgot the color as well. Since I'm using liquid lipsticks at the moment, I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. Seriously guys, it happens to me most of the time and I don't know why. I think it's just me. I misplaced it. One time I lost my sari. It's a big thing, you know. I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it, you know. I was like, what the heck, how can I lose a sari, you know? It's a big thing. It's not a small piece of bra or undergarments. It's like a sari. It's a 2-meter long sari, and I was like, I can't find it. Okay, it's lost. I'm gonna stop thinking about it. And one day I was like trying my old clothes and looking for blouse and stuff, and it was right there in the same place where I keep my saris. I was like, what the heck? I looked for this everywhere and I couldn't find it, and now it's here. I was like, that's me, you know. I misplaced it or I didn't see it. I don't know. Yeah, enough about that. It happens to me most of the time, but whatever. Anyways, last night I couldn't sleep very well. I woke up around 5 o'clock for short toilet, and after that I went straight into my bed and I couldn't sleep. That's why I uploaded my video very early. Seriously guys, sometimes it happens to me. I don't see bad dreams, but I will tell you why I don't see bad dreams. It's weird, but it works guys. So this is my dream catcher guys. It's so pretty. I got this one in Dorset I believe and paid around £7 for this one. It has beads and lots of, you know, feathers and stuffs. It's really cute. I haven't seen any dream catcher which is small and this cute. Enough about this dream catcher. At one point of my life I was seeing really bad dreams, and I was like sharing this with my sister, and I told her I see really bad dreams. I don't know why. It's so annoying. I can't sleep sometimes. And she was like, if you really feel you can't sleep very well, try the dream catcher, you know. It might work, but you have to believe in it by your heart, you know. And that's what I did. I brought this one and hung it on my window, and seriously guys, after that I didn't see a single bad dream. I was not even seeing a dream, you know. So I was like, is it a magic or something like that? But seriously guys, this is honestly what happened to me, and I always have a dream catcher in my window and it works every single time. And when I went to Nepal as well, I was seeing really bad dreams, and I immediately went to the shop and got myself a pink dream catcher, and bam, I didn't see any bad dreams. Isn't it cool guys? That's a little hack or tip, or I don't know what is that, but try this method. It works, but you have to believe in it by your heart. By the way, my lipstick looks really weird. I need to clean that one. I'm gonna use baby oil and wipe it all. So much better guys, but it's still not perfect. So today I'm also filming a recipe for a achar video. It's going to be pork achar video, and it will taste so good, believe me guys. Definitely watch that video. I will upload that video once it's done and you guys will love it. I have my crackers right over here. That's how I like to keep it, you know, in a plastic bag, airtight, and you can eat this whenever you want to. Just finished doing the dishes, one of my hatest job, but you still gotta do it. So right now I'm cooking my pork achar, and guys, it looks so delicious and smells so good. And look at this, these are deep fried onions and it tastes so sweet, guys, and it's so crispy. I don't know if you can hear, but it's really nice. I love it. So guys, I just finished filming my pork achar recipe, and oh my god, it turned out so good. It tastes so sour and spicy. Oh my god, it's so good. I know I am overhyped, but I will show you the clips and you guys will say the same as well, because you guys will definitely want to give it a try and you will drool like me. Let me show you the pork achar which I placed inside the fridge. So here it is. Let me open and show you guys how it looks like. Look at that beauty. Trust me guys, it's so damn good. You definitely have to try this. There you go, pork achar. Okay guys, I just uploaded my new video, which is my massive purse collection video. I love purses and you guys should definitely check out my purse collection. I will leave the link in the description bar below for you. And yes, let me know which purse is your favorite in the comments down below. By the way, have you noticed that I'm killing the vlog game? It's my 21 or 22 day vlogging, and seriously guys, I cannot believe myself. It's so freaking amazing and I feel so proud of myself. Please give me a thumbs up for that. And if you are enjoying my vlogs, definitely comment down below guys and let me know what types of vlogs you like, you know, shopping kind of vlogs or creative vlogs, cooking vlogs, or any types of vlogs. I will definitely give it a try for you all, because you guys are my friends, my family, so definitely I will do that for you all. Okay, enough about my vlog life. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch. It's almost ready, so I will show you what I'm eating today. So today I am eating bhat, tomato ko achar, pork ko achar, cauliflower ko tarkari with edamame beans, tomato and cucumber for salad. Yummy! Look at my beautiful roses guys, still looking pretty. I love red roses. Don't you ever die, okay? By the way, I'm also watching some YouTube videos, and this is the girl. Her name is LVloverCC or something like that, but I will add the link in the description bar for you guys. She uploads designer, you know, bags, videos and stuff like that. Look at her collection guys. She has such a big collection of beautiful designer bags and I just love her. She makes review videos, unboxing videos and stuff like that, so definitely check her out. So right now I'm editing my cooking video and it will be up tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned for that. My sister, she just sent me few pictures of my nephew and he looked really handsome guys. I don't know who took this picture for him, but he looks really cool. Look at his style. Very stylish little boy. Look at that. My sister and her family, they live in Hong Kong and I miss Hong Kong guys. Look at these buildings in the background. Hong Kong is really fun to be honest. But look at him. Little cheeky monkey. So it's almost 5 p.m. guys, and I'm going to end today's vlog. I filmed a cooking tutorial for you guys as well, and I cleaned my kitchen a little bit. So had a very busy filming and cleaning day, but thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and I love you all. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. That's it for today. Bye.